Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you guys are joining me yet again for another video. I'm so excited because we are on our way to Costa Rica. We are taking a cousin trip that is long overdue. Most of my cousins have not ever left the country, so I'm very excited for them. I'm very excited to spend this week with them. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. We have a lot of things planned, and so I'm going to try to record and get as much footage that I possibly can so that we can have memories that will last a lifetime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in Costa Rica.
It's your birthday, let's blow out all the candles. Yeah, we could get romantic as long as I'm with you, babe. Let's throw a party, just us in my apartment. Yeah, back to where it started. As long as I'm with you, babe.
Come on.
As long as I'm with you.
Let's do it.
As long as I'm with you, baby.
Come on, y'all.
As long as I'm with you.
Niggas is dogs who walk some. Talk shit cheap who bought some, yeah. Look at you ballin' flossing, yeah. Look at you ballin' flossing, yeah. Look at you bad.
It's been a long day of travel, but we're finally to our Airbnb and it is beautiful. You can't see much right now because it's dark, but I will show you guys the entire house tomorrow, so you guys can actually see. It's pretty amazing. There's an infinity pool. It wraps around the entire Airbnb. And then we have complete windows around our entire room, and you can see the entire rainforest and the monkeys and the ocean. So can't wait to show you all that. We're just gonna hang out tonight, and then tomorrow just chilling. Probably gonna do a beach day, but definitely taking you guys with me.
Yeah, you get ballin' flossing, yeah. Look at you ballin' flossing, yeah. Look at you ballin' flossing. Yeah, me fitted by Grandstein, shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, look, I'm gonna keep it 150,000 grand with y'all right now. And that bitch feeling my shit. Show me all the money that you make off that. That you make off that. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Peanut butter jelly with a peanut butter jelly. Y'all ain't ready for the jelly, it'll break y'all back. It'll break y'all back. Really got a body, can you shake off that? Can you shake off that? Can you shake off that? Got big dreams, super big eyes. Retro ride, Marty McFly. Big day, super big vibes. Let's get right, loosen this tie. Move inside, move to the side. Group then slide, grouping and slide. And slide. A nigga really wanna see y'all bounce. 79 bounce, out south bounce, north side bounce, over east bounce, 290 bounce, downtown bounce, downtown, see y'all bounce. 79 bounce, out south bounce, north side bounce, over east bounce, 290 bounce, downtown bounce, downtown.
Tonight it's your birthday, let's blow out all the candles. Yeah, we could get romantic as long as I'm with you, babe. Let's throw a party.
2 a.m. here in Costa Rica, and it is time for bed. We had a fun first night, hanging out by the pool, ate a little midnight snack. We'll see you guys in the morning.
As long as I'm with you, baby. As long as I'm with you. No.
Good morning! I can't see.
You should try it. Oh, no, hombre, these are not ready, dude. There's no way. I thought you were gonna fry them. No.
Where are we going?
Business alive.
even know where the heck. We were like in the middle of the rainforest. I wanted to record it, but I really had no hands free to record it. So we're here at the beach. Beach time is over. It's time to find food.
Ooh, doggy.
Are you hungry?
I'm ready.
Airbnb from dinner. We are exhausted because we've spent the day at the beach, so we're gonna just hang out and chill. Have some dinner tonight, swim some more, and hang out. Say hi, Xavier.
What up?
Let me see, open it up. Hey. It's dinner time. Say hey, Lucille. Hi.